What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a Honda HR-V unlocked, opened, and started if the key fob dies. So I'm going to be demonstrating this on a 2025 Honda HR-V in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working and our vehicle's locked. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like this. Now if we take a look at the driver's door, if we pull the driver's door handle open, behind here there's a key cylinder right here. So I'm going to take my emergency key, put it in that key cylinder, I'm going to turn it to the right or clockwise, and that's going to unlock the vehicle. Now's a good time to go ahead and throw the emergency key back in our key fob, just so we don't lose it. So once we have the door open, we can get in, and what we need to do in order to start the vehicle with a dead key fob is I'm going to come over here, and without pressing the brake, I'm going to press the stop start button. Then you can see it blinking there. I'm going to take my key fob and hold it up to the stop start button. Then you'll hear it beep, and that stop start button will glow solid. And now I can start the vehicle as normal. Brake, stop start button. And once the vehicle starts, you'll be able to drive as you normally would. And then the only other thing you'll want to do is to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to replace the battery in this key fob in case you're unfamiliar. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.